Hello YouTube, this is Tubedigga. In this video I'm going to show you how I organize my files on the Akai MPC Live. First of all, I'm going to press Shift and hold it and then press Menu to access my directories. Boop. Here we can see I am focused on places, not content, because content shows you the file structure of the internal drive of the MPC Live. I don't like to use this because it is not accessible from your computer whilst in controller mode. I like to use my SD card, which is viewed by pressing Places. As you can see, I am now focused on MPC Live SD. Now, file structure is a very personal thing, and it all depends on how you prefer to have your files organized. I am just going to show you how I organize mine, and if it's of help and of assistance to you, then you can follow suit. If you don't want to follow suit, you can structure it in a similar way, or just do whatever the Now, as you can see, in my MPC Live SD card, I have 4 folders. The first one is Finals, the second one is MPC Live, the third one is MPC 5000, and the fourth one is Samples. Let's go up to Finals. Click on Finals. Click, click, click. Boop. You have to touch it twice. Ooh. In Finals, you can see I have Finals. That is to say, these are many finished compositions that I have collected over the years, and I have placed them in a Finals folder. This way, I can go inside, boop, and I can select one of these finished finals and chop into them and edit them and take sections out and use them in other compositions. Let's go up one level, back to the root folder of my MPC Live SD card. The second folder is my main MPC Live folder. Double-click to access this. Boop. Within this folder, I have 3 additional subfolders. I have MIDI. This is used for any MIDI programs that I wish to use. As you can see, I am not using any. Oh. Let's return up one level. Now let's take a look at Programs. Boop. Within here, there are many subfolders. Bass, breaks, chops, drones and pads, kits, MIDI, stabs, synths, and Wu-Tang. These are all containing different programs. Boop, boop. Within breaks, I have all these breakbeat programs and the respective WAVs that are contained within those programs. I should really create subfolders for all the different programs. Anyway, boop. You get the idea. These are all MPC Live programs. Let's go up one folder. And of course, also within the MPC Live main folder, I have projects. Boop, boop. This contains all the .xpj, which is the file extension for MPC Live and MPCX projects within this folder. Boop. In MPC 5000, which was my last MPC, which regrettably I had to sell to fund the MPC Live, I have all my MPC 5000 projects. But an advantage of the MPC Live and MPCX is that you can load these in, although sometimes it causes a crash. Boop. Let's now take a look at the final folder. It says Samples. What's in here? Boop. Samples. Also within the samples, many other subfolders containing loads of samples. Boop. Modular things. Ooh, spooky. Loops. Oh, too loud. Boop. Breaks and subfolders within there. Boop. Boop. So as you can see, it's somewhat organized. I do know my way around this. It is easy to navigate. But many people have asked me how I organize my files on MPC Live. This is how I do it. I could do it even better. You could do it even better. And I urge you to do so. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will see you in the next video when I'm behaving a little more normal than I am on this good day. I bid you farewell. This is Tubedigga, and I'm out.